It's Mackenzie Hegarty with the Pulse USA Morristown. Located in the heart of Morristown, the Artist Baker is where creativity meets craftsmanship. Today, I'll be speaking with owner Andrea Lekberg, who is going to tell us what makes the Artist Baker so special. The name The Artist Baker really stands out. So what's the story behind it, and how does artistry show up in your creations?
So I've been in my field since 15 years old, and I really like the field. I like the restaurant business. I like the pastry work. And I wanted to do something on my own. I've always worked for people my whole life, worked in kitchens, and I was ready to kind of venture out on my own. So originally I was actually going to open up in Charleston, South Carolina, but I had to come up here for family reasons and ended up doing the business here. And 17 years ago, there was probably just a handful of bakeries. And now, you know, there's 2 handfuls or 3 handfuls of bakeries. But it was just more about, I wanted to grow business-wise. I wanted to learn about how to run a business and not just be the creative person like I had always been. So that's really the story behind the Artist Baker.